Totally camouflaged, huh, girl? Hey, baby. Sassy's going crazy. There's Azalea. Hi, Zaylee. Do you like your kitty cat?
The Ellie kitty cat.
That's Ellie's kitty cat? Oh, I thought it was your kitty cat. Too. It's your kitty cat, too. Remember, we share. Kitty cat.
Kitty cat.
Kitty cat. Was that funny?
Yeah.
Azalea must love you, kitty cat. She brought this for you. Wiki wiki! Wiki wiki wiki! Wiki wiki! Wiki zoomy!
The never-ending paper towel roll. Oh, brilliant, Desi. Give it a roll.
Just very apprehensive of Sassy right now. And Sassy can't see her because she's black and the couch is all black. Oh, she's in her little hideout corner. It's okay. Wiki! 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 Well, you're gonna have to get used to Azalea. Sassy!
Really got on the go today, oh buddies. We saved all the folks in the world. Thanks to you. Are you still in your pose-up? Oh, let's do one more bowl boogie. The bowl boogie's
Wiki wiki! Wiki wiki!
We made it through, thanks to you. Bowl boogie time. You boogie too. Let's see what kind of boogie you can do.
Her birthday is August 24th. She's a 3-month-old kitten.
Boogie on, bow buddies.
Wiki wiki!
Keep moving and
Wiki wiki!
go.
Is it all done, Azalea? You are so cute. What are you doing? Where are you going?
A kitty cat.
Hmm?
A kitty cat.
She's right here.
There's more.
There's more? No way.